Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a very short video. We are seeing a problem that is occurring more and more frequently. Here they have brought us a Renault Trafic, and you can see the problem it has. The timing belt has burst. What has happened? When it breaks, the engine has also broken. We are seeing this more and more. What happens? When they bought this vehicle 4 years ago, second-hand, it was the vehicle. They were told that this vehicle had a chain. It did not have a strap, so it did not have maintenance. Note that this is a strap. It is not a chain, that it has burst. This vehicle has 172,000 kilometers. This is the engine. There it is. The valves crashed. When the distribution jumped, the valves crashed against the pistons and it burst. This vehicle, as I say, has a strap. But we have been observing this for a long time in more vehicles, in Renault, Dacia, even in some Opel, etc. It is too. We see people who buy the second-hand vehicle, and the one who sells it to them, it may be due to ignorance, it has even gone through several hands and does not know. They tell them that it has a chain, so people do not do the maintenance. No, it does the distribution, of course, and what happens? That in the end they end up breaking, and of course, if they break the timing belt, then they also break the engine. Okay, with this I wanted to warn you. When you buy a vehicle, whatever, it doesn't matter, new or second-hand, make sure if that vehicle has a chain or a strap, because not knowing that, what you are going to suppose is engine breakdown and a lot of money. Take this into account. I already say that every time we are observing it more. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.